Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Carl Conrad B. Cernet, a third-year BSHM student presenting you my catering business proposal. Aquila Catering. Company Overview. Business formation and ownership. Aquila Cater will operate as a sole proprietorship, operated and owned by the entrepreneur. This ownership structure was chosen because it is simple, easy to maintain, and provides complete control over corporate operations and decisions. As the sole proprietor entrepreneur, I will be responsible for all elements of the firm, including marketing operations, finance, and customer relations. Product and service offered. Aquila Cater will offer high-quality catering services for a variety of occasions, including wedding, birthdays, business events, conference, and private parties. The business will serve a diverse menu that include chicken, beef, pig, pasta, dessert, and beverage. Client can personalize their menu packages based on their preferences and budget. In addition to food catering, the company will provide the table setup, meal presentation, and event planning services. Competitive advantage. Aquila Cater will distinguish itself by its affordable yet high-quality catering packages, individualized customer care, and attractive meal presentation. The company will also maintain consistent meal quality by employing fresh, locally sourced products. Another significant advantage is flexibility. Customers can tailor their menu packages and service to the type and magnitude of their events. Business location. Aquila Cater will be located in Sapaloc, Manila due to its accessibility, high population density, and high demand for event service. The location is convenient to both residential and commercial enterprise, making it excellent for catering services that serve both private and corporate clients. Target market. Their primary target market includes young professionals, middle to upper class families, and corporate clients who frequently host social or business events. The secondary market will include schools, government organizations, and event planners looking for dependable caterers for a large-scale events. Target clients are typically 24 to 60 years old, appreciate quality and presentation, and prefer convenience and scheduling events. Industry trends. The catering industry in the Philippines is expanding due to its increasing number of social gatherings, corporate events, and celebrations. Menu customization, team events, healthy food selection, and online booking system are all current trends. Clients also choose caterers who offer whole event packages, which include decoration, staffing, and planning services. Digital marketing and social media presence are increasingly impacting customer decision and making online visibility critical to success. Marketing plan. Product strategies. Aquila Cater will provide a variety of personalized catering packages, including chicken, beef, pig, pasta dishes, and desserts, and beverages. Each box will focus on food quality, flavor, and presentation. Additional service such as event styling and table settings will be provided. Pricing strategy. Pricing will be competitive and value-based, assuring affordability while maintaining quality. Packages range from 300 to 800 pesos per person, depending on the client's preferred cuisine and extras. Place strategy. The company will largely operate on a made-to-order and delivery basis, serving customers in Metro Manila and surrounding provinces. Orders will be accepted by direct booking, phone calls, and online channels, including Facebook, Instagram, and a company website. Promotional strategy. Promotion will center on a social media marketing, collaboration with event planners, and involvement in local trade shows. Launch in incentives and discounts for first-time customers will also be available. A loyalty program will be created for returning clients. Oper- Operation Plan. Production of products and services. Food will be prepared in a fully equipped commissary kitchen following standard food safety and sanitation protocols. All these dishes will be freshly cooked and packaged for each event. The business will maintain strict quality control to ensure consistency and customer satisfaction. Standard Operating Procedures (SOPs). Number 1. Receive client inquiries and confirm event operation. Number 2. Present menu selection and make a final bundle selection. Number 3. Purchase ingredients and cook dishes according to the schedule. Number 4. Set up catering at the location. Number 5. Serve and assist guests throughout the event. And lastly, number 6. Perform post-event cleanup and evaluation. Job positions. Owner and manager responsible for overall business operations. Head cook oversees preparation and kitchen management. Assistant cook assists the head cook. Food server waitstaff serves guests and at events. Delivery driver utility staffs handles transports and logistics. Here I will show you our organizational chart. Recruitment process. Prospective employees will be sourced through internet job advertisements, referrals, and local recruitment agencies. Candidates will be screened and interviewed to verify they have necessary qualification, experience, and attitude. Here shows our menu plans, including to set 1 to set 9. Management plan. The owner will directly run the business, making administrative, financial, and operational choices. Daily briefings will provide clear communication and cooperation with the personnel. Monthly performance reviews will be undertaken to maintain service quality and employee efficiency. Financial plan. Estimated start-up costs. Aquila Cater requires approximately 600,000 pesos for kitchen equipment, utensils, initial inventory, transportations, permits, and marketing fees. Source of capital funding will be personal resources and to fund the firm, with the option of obtaining a small business loan from a local financial institution or cooperative.